So this is chapter 3, and on question number, I believe it's 12, we have to do the YouTube project, and pretty much we have to draw a turtle interface. I'm gonna bring that up right now. That's right here. And then it has to look like this. So pretty much it looks like a clock. So what I did was I imported the turtle, made the turtle screen. I'm not going to have anything in there. Test is my turtle, pen size 3, make the background color dark red. I set up how the page. I wanted a 300 by 300. The shape of the turtle, we need an actual turtle for this. The color is light green, and I need to stamp it. And I put the speed at 1. So I wrote the definition as the clock and T. And then this was just saying turtle T will draw a clock-like figure with 12 turtles stamped and one in the center. So I used a for statement for I in range of 12. And then and it's just your basic T pen up. Okay, and then I'm going to put the pen down, and then I'm going to move forward. Then I'm going to put the pen down, and then I'm going to move forward 10. And I'm going to pick the pen back up again. Then I'm going to move forward 10 again, and then I'm going to stamp it. Then I'm going to move forward left 110, and then I'm going to move forward 110, negative 110, and then and this is the tilt, so it's a 30-degree tilt. So when I run this program, I'm going to save it real quick and run it. 5. As you can see, the turtle is moving back and forth, and then it's tilting 30 degrees each side. I know it's slow, I just wanted to show how this one works. And it's rotating every time. All right.